Hello friends, in this video we are going to see the answers for the question, what does a Salesforce admin do in a company? What is a Salesforce admin first? You have heard the term and you know you probably need their help on most things Salesforce related. But do you really know what a Salesforce administrator does? From managing users to training and even making system and configuration changes, an admin is ultimately there to help create business solutions through Salesforce. They are your number one devoted resource when creating, editing, or monitoring all things Salesforce. Got it? Okay. Your Salesforce admin will manage users in your Salesforce org. Salesforce admins are responsible for many areas of the Salesforce process, one of the biggest being the managing of users. This covers small things such as password changes, adding and removing permissions, and expands up to automation procedures and assisting with changes. In a busy workplace, employees are often coming and going at a fast pace or possibly even moving around internally. When this happens, you can rely on your Salesforce admin to be there managing your users and any permissions or specifics needed. Equally, when someone leaves, you want to be sure you are protecting your data and the user is quickly frozen and safely deactivated. After distributing any related data to whoever is then the best fit, meaning nothing is lost and mistakes are avoided. As Salesforce is constantly expanding and adding new features and products, you may also need to introduce new users into different ways of working to help streamline process. Your Salesforce admin can advise you on any new features that you know will be helpful and get users set up and ready to start experimenting with the new updates. Next, your Salesforce admin will create reports and dashboards for you. Admins ensure needed dashboards are set up in the most effective way to benefit your business. After all, the dashboard is where you will find everything you have implemented into your Salesforce. So you want it to be clear and ready with everything you could need in one view. They are able to advise you on the best ways of working and make sure you are not struggling to access any views that could help your role. Creating a report allows you to track any needed metrics such as monitoring cost or stock levels. These can be ordered and filtered to be as specific or broad as you find necessary. These can then be compiled into graphical charts to show a clear progression over time and allow these areas to be analyzed. Your admin can set all this up for you so you can get tracking fast. Reporting any issues is very important to help keep a good relationship with your admin and ensure a smooth process. You can easily report any bugs or issues that you feel that they should take a look at to help you get on with the important elements in your day-to-day. Next, importing data. Inputting data such as new potential leads can be a tedious process. Salesforce admins can take care of all of this for you, allowing you to utilize the data in any way beneficial to your company. They can even set up automation processes to monitor and track this data to ensure it is relevant and fit for purpose. Your Salesforce admin can also assist in updating any existing data from new sources. This could be new information you have gained on them, such as phone numbers or changes of addresses, or maybe they just belong in a new category because of an event. Keeping your data current can help to ensure the flow of your business and keep up to date on any new potential target areas. Ad hoc user training or queries. When new features or updates in Salesforce arise, or even when employees require a different tool, it is common to find things you just don't know about. When this sudden need occurs, you can rely on your Salesforce admin to answer your queries and help you get back on track as quickly as possible. If a quick query answer is not going to quite cut it for users and a little more depth is required, training can also be arranged. Having someone guide you through the exact solution to your query will obviously be a huge advantage as you are able to utilize your admin skills and ensure you end up with the best result for your issue. The last thing is minor configuration changes. Occasionally, there may be system errors or configuration issues. This could be because of new updates that don't support some older features or sometimes just user error. Whatever the reason, you are going to need to get this fixed fast. Your Salesforce admin will be able to make this fixes fast and efficiently, allowing you to get back to work as soon as possible. Depending on the issue, they may even be able to offer you a workaround fix for the time being while the issue gets resolved, ensuring no time lost on what you need to be doing. Okay, so now you know all about the benefits of a Salesforce admin. So learn Salesforce and become a Salesforce admin. Thank you.